Hello and welcome to our project. For this project, we wanted to implement a game like simulation, and the idea behind it was to create a game where the player competes against an AI enemy to collect all the wandering fishes in the scene. We wanted to give the player an ability to shoot the enemy from any distance inside the scene, and we wanted to make it so that the bullet, upon hitting the enemy, will freeze the enemy for 7 seconds, which will give the player an upper hand in collecting all the fishes. And we wanted to set the condition of the game so that if the enemy collects 3 fishes before the player can collect all of them, the player will lose the game. The only way a player wins is by collecting all the fishes. So for the implementations, we have tried to touch every aspect of the requirements for the project. And for our complex movement algorithms, we have implemented the wandering behavior on the fishes and the collision avoidance on the fishes. For example, when the next position of any of the fishes is when position of the enemy, the collision avoidance will be triggered. And for pathfinding, we have used it on the enemy, and we have implemented the A star. For decision making, we have used the state machines, and for procedural content generation, we have tried implementing Perlin noise, which adds spherical snow-like textures to the scene. And for simple movement algorithms, we have tried to implement seek on the enemy. The fishes and the water tiles are being generated by pseudo-random number generation. And here are the project requirements, and it can be seen that we have tried to touch one of each of the concepts and algorithms from the categories. So we have implemented the wandering behavior, the collision avoidance, and also the A star. And the for the decision making, we have used the state machine. And for the snowy textures, we have used the Perlin noise. And as mentioned earlier, for our simple movement algorithm, we have used the pseudo seek on the enemy. And also for the references, for the enemy texture and the fixed textures, it's all AI generated. And yeah, that's all for my presentation.
So we are gonna start this game. The best thing to do at first is just keep this crocodile shut for a while and then start hunting the fish. I mean, not hunting the fish, I mean saving the fish. Because I'm not gonna hunt the fish, the crocodile is hunting the fish, I'm saving the fish. I missed that fish. Freeze. The snow makes it difficult for shooting. That was the purpose of the snow anyway. Maybe one thing I could do better was like give some sort of option that if you want an easy mode, then you can like get rid of the snow, and if you want to like get a more difficult challenging mode where you are too much confident about your shooting skills, then you can go for the snow. and that's a win.